Kajabi 30-day free trial. That's what you're looking for, right? Well, I've got something even better. 30 days free, plus exclusive bonuses worth over $1,200. Let's dive in. As a Kajabi partner, I can offer you something you won't get by signing up directly through their website. Normally, you'd only get a 14-day free trial. But using the link in the description below, you'll unlock a 30-day free trial. That's over double the time to test out Kajabi's full suite of tools, and it doesn't stop there. I'm also giving you full access to my Kajabi Jumpstart course, which walks you through setting up and launching your business, so you can hit the ground running in those first 30 days. The course alone is worth $300, but it's yours for free with my link. Still not convinced? Let me sweeten the deal. You'll also get my premium Notion templates, including my business hub to manage everything in one place, and the finance hub to track your income and expenses. Those templates are valued at over $900, but they're yours completely free. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why the extra goodies? Since it's an affiliate link, I do earn a small commission when you sign up. But here's the best part. There's no extra cost to you, so it's a win-win. Because you signed up using my link, Kajabi will email you with the other offers, including my full Kajabi course and the Notion templates. As a Kajabi partner, I've set this up automatically, so once you sign up, check your email for that message. Make sure to check all your folders, and if you don't see it, feel free to reach out to me and I'll help you out. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you'll be on your way to launching your online business with the full power of Kajabi behind you. And with all the tools and resources I've thrown in, you'll be well ahead of the competition. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop any questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll see you in the next video.